Yo, what's up, YouTube? This the Pioneer 4600 T bypass, man, with a toggle switch. You don't need all that relay or none of that other stuff that everybody else using, because it don't work on this model. And this is my toggle switch with the parking brake wire and the ground hooked up to it. And I'm gonna show y'all that it works. It's on right now. And I'm gonna click it and show y'all it's gonna go off. That's on. My switch is on off. I just clicked it on. And that's how it works, man. As simple as that. So y'all get a closer look how my toggle switch is. Sorry about all this moving, but my top prong is on my off, and the bottom one down there with my parking brake that's the on position. So you can wire it up like that, or you can wire it however you want to. Peace out. Like, subscribe, do whatever you want to do. Yeah, look, I finished the bypass switch or whatever. Got it on right now. And this is where I mounted mine. Focus though, so you can see it. 'Cause I don't like no switches all out in the open. So I put mine right there. That's what it do when I turned it off. Back on. Hit me up if y'all got any questions about anything, bro. Later.